Every day is Halloween in Salem, Massachusetts. A one-stop town of psychics, ghost tours, and signs pointing to witches in every direction. Let's explore Salem, the witch capital of the world. The infamous 1692 witch hunt and trials define Salem's colonial past. 14 women and 6 men were executed. They're remembered here next to the town cemetery. 20 names inscribed on granite benches. A reminder of how injustice can terrorize a community. Nearby, the Witch Museum is a popular tourist attraction, where historical fact intersects with kitschy witch-themed souvenirs. Admission includes a dark, low-tech reenactment of the witch trials.
He will hang within the fortnight.
But Salem offers more than witches to the curious tourist. Stroll the sidewalks to view colonial-era architecture and homes. Or relax in a tree-lined public park. Start your journey at the National Park Service Regional Visitor Center. Exhibits document more than 400 years of history in Salem, an early settlement of bustling commerce. Merchant ships brought goods from around the world. In the late 1800s, Salem was a thriving port town, with the Derby Lighthouse safely guiding ships into the docks. Salem's waterfront is the first designated National Historic Site in the United States, established in 1938. The site includes the Custom House. A young Nathaniel Hawthorne worked there before becoming one of the best-known American authors. Salem has history, culture, and recreation, with some wicked good fun along the way.